Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use IDM forever with free registration tricks. So first you just have to download your IDM. You have to install this one first to your device, your computer. So try this and then you will see that it is now downloading. All you have to do is to run this as administrator and then open. So while waiting for that, you have to go to IDM, reset. You have to type this one and then click this GitHub, the very first link that you can see. And what you're going to do here is you have to download this IDM trial reset. So scroll down till you see this download word right here. Tap this download and it will take you directly to IDM trial reset. So tap this download right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. It will take you to another homepage and you have to scroll down and tap this IDM reset zip. Tap this one and you will see that it is now currently downloading above at the top. Once done, you have to open your download folder and then extract this file. So this is what it looks like. Right click, extract files. And then after that, once your IDM is downloaded, click run as administrator and then wait as it is processing, like it's installing to your device. Once it is installed, you can now go back to IDM reset, and then this time you have to install this too. So go to download and then look for IDM reset, the one that you have extracted already. I mean, the file is in folder, this one. Tap this and then right click, run as administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then you have to click this register, tap this register IDM. Click OK, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see that the word or notification. So as you can see, IDM is registered now. Feel free to enjoy and use this IDM forever with this registration. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.